Summer is here, which means you're going to be outside more, so it's time to make sure you are properly covered for hazards around your home. Kaz Weida is an insurance expert with NerdWallet. She says it's often things you never think of that can lead to claims. Things like grill fires, theft while you're on vacation, even injuries from swimming pools or trampolines. Even summer storm damage can lead to claims.
Well, I think one of the things we want to think about first and foremost is just reviewing your homeowner's insurance policy, making sure once a year you sort of take it out, no matter what season it is, summer or not. Understand what your coverage is, understand what your limits are, and really think about, have I made some changes to my property that I need to let my insurer know about?
Some home insurances have a built-in feature called Inflation Guard, and that helps your coverage limits keep pace with inflation. But Weida says it's also important to make sure your coverage limits have kept pace with rebuilding costs.
This is a really common problem. We sort of go ahead and get insurance when we buy a home, and then we don't really revisit that. And it is the homeowner's responsibility to make sure you have enough homeowner's insurance to rebuild if you were to experience a significant loss.
Weida says you also want to think about your personal liability and make sure it's enough to cover your net worth. You can always get on the phone with your insurance agent and update what you have for liability or dwelling coverage. With this Watching Your Wallet, I'm Rachel DePompa.